This strategy gives me more than 70% of win rate with 1/2 risk to reward ratio. This means if the SL is of 10 pips, the TP will be of 20 pips. If you watch this video till end, you will know exactly where to open a trade, where to put the SL, the TP, the lot size and the risk management for this strategy to get the highest win rate with 1/2 risk to reward ratio. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Hello and welcome back. This strategy is based on Euro USD 15-minute time frame, and this strategy will take you only 5 minutes per day and give you more than 70% of win rate. This is amazing. So in this video, I will exactly tell you where to open a buy, where to open a sell, where to put the SL and TP and lot size and the risk management. So let's move on my screen. I have tested some trades for some days, and let me make it more bigger to explain you. So first of all, a London session box. How to place this session box? Simply I'm using this trading sessions indicator, and how you can use the same this box. Let me delete this and I will put it on here in the indicator section. I will search for trading sessions, just apply it. Here you will see a lot of sessions, but I need only London session. I will go into the input settings. So first of all, I will uncheck all these boxes and show session names. Yes, only this session name. I no need of Tokyo session. Yes, I need London session. New York session, no need. And in the London session, I will set it to 8 a.m. not 8:30 here, and simply I will press OK. And from here I will adjust the time of the trading view exactly the London time, and by this way you will get exactly the same box as me. The box, the time started here, and I will wait for the closing of the first 15-minute candle. After closing this, I will put few pips below. I'm using 5 pips below this low of the first candle. I put a sell stop here, and the SL is exactly same as the high of this candle, and the TP will be 2 times of the SL. So exactly I adjust it to 2. Let me set to yes here. Within the session, this trade hits the TP, and that's it. This is the minimalist and simple strategy based on the breakout of first 15-minute candle in the London session. So now let's test its few trades to check the win rate in the past few days. So let's start from the very first day. I will make it a little. To save time, I already done some tests of back few days. Here let me show you. Today I got SL, it hit the SL, and in the yesterday it made TP in the 14 of the April. In the previous session it hit the TP. Again in the previous session it hit the TP. In this session it hit the SL, and in this session it hit the TP. If I scroll more back here, the SL, the TP. This strategy give me more than 70% of win rate. For now, that's it. Subscribe for more strategies and press the bell icon so you could get the notification whenever I publish a video. That's it. Goodbye.